こんにちは。Welcome to consonants Japanese. I'm May. In this video, we are going to learn how to pronounce the s and the sh consonant sounds as in sa, shi, su, se, so. Consonants Japanese. As I mentioned in my intro video, there are three things you might want to keep in mind when you learn consonant sounds. Number 1, voiced or voiceless. Number 2, where the sound is produced inside the mouth. On this, check out my place for articulation video. The link in the description box below. Number 3, how the sound is produced inside the mouth. On this, check out my manner of articulation video. The link is also in the description. About the first point, both sounds, the s sound as in sa, su, se, so, and the sh sound as in shi are voiceless, meaning your vocal cords here do not vibrate. S, s, s. Sh, sh, sh. Next, about the second point. First, let's talk about the s sound as in sa, su, se, so. Take a look. The tip of the tongue lifts up to the gum ridge, but doesn't touch it. The teeth come close together. S, s, s. Next, let's talk about the sh sound as in shi. As I said in the previous video, when consonants are followed by the e vowel, the place of articulation changes. Take a look. The tip of the tongue touches the gum ridge behind the bottom teeth. The front part of the tongue is raised towards the back of the gum ridge. Take notice. With the sh sound, the place of articulation is the back of the gum ridge, not the front. Sh, sh, sh. Finally, the last point. Both s and sh sounds are fricative consonants. With fricative consonants, you bring your tongue close to places of articulation, but your tongue doesn't quite touch them. The very narrow passage between your tongue and the places of articulation causes the hissing noise. S, s, s. Sh, sh, sh. Now, let's practice pronouncing sa, shi, su, se, so. Connect both sounds with a, I, U, E, O. Repeat with me. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Alright, now let's practice pronouncing sa, shi, su, se, so using some real words. Repeat with me. Asa, asa. 塩、塩。椅子、椅子。汗、汗。嘘、嘘。One last thing. Both hiragana and katakana are sets of phonetic characters, so it's quite important for you to be able to associate a sound with a corresponding character. So check out my hiragana playlist. Also, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. So check out my Patreon page, the link in the description box below. Alright, if you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。